large capacity sanitizing air purifier, you're mere minutes away from cleaner air. Here's how to set up the unit. First, find a suitable location for the Orabeat 3800. This location should be in a high traffic area and not near the room's air outlet vent, as this will hamper performance. Next, you need to remove the filter bags. Remove the top cover to the unit by sliding the 4 black tabs toward each other, unlocking the cover. Remove the cover to expose the filter area. Each side of the unit has 2 sets of filters, a pre-filter and a large filter. Pull each filter out by its handle, removing and discarding any plastic wrap. Then, return the filters to their original position. The larger filter on each side is returned with the white side facing outward. Replace the cover and plug the unit into a grounded outlet. Power the unit on by pressing the power button on the unit's display or by using the handy remote. You'll notice the unit goes through a brief startup procedure. When the unit is turned on, it is automatically in auto mode. The unit will adjust fan speeds based on the PM 2.5 air quality measurements. When the air is good, the indicator will turn green and the fan speed will be low. When the air is fair, it will turn blue and the fan speed will be medium. When the air is bad, it will turn red and the fan speed will be high. But you can change to manual mode and adjust the fan speed yourself from low, medium, high, and max by pressing the fan button repeatedly. As a default, the unit's UV light and plasma functions are automatically on. For optimal results, we recommend keeping these functions on. You can turn the plasma generator on or off by depressing this button. You can also turn the UV light on or off by pressing this button. The Orabeat 3800 also has a sleep mode, which turns off the display. It's ideal if the display's brightness is a distraction at night. Simply press this button to alternately turn sleep mode on or off. Note that the unit will continue operating with a low fan speed. If you've turned the unit on and want it to run for a preset number of hours, use the timer off button. Each press of the button equals 1 hour of operation for up to 12 hours of use. The unit will automatically turn off after the allotted number of hours. Want to set the unit to start later? Then activate the timer on mode. This function only works when the unit is in off mode to start. Each press of the button will indicate how many hours before the unit turns on for up to 12 hours of delay. Once the countdown is completed, the unit will automatically turn on and stay on until the unit is powered down using the power on/off button. Pressing the lock button locks access to the touch display. Press the button on the remote again to unlock the unit. It's ideal if the unit is in a high traffic area and you don't want settings to be accidentally changed by occupants. One last setup detail. You can see the indoor temperature and humidity via the readout on the front display.
My name is Christy Solosinski, and I'm one of the lead scientists at MRI Global addressing the COVID-19 epidemic. I'm part of a team with over 100 years of research experience in aerosol and virology testing. Since 1944, MRI Global has been providing independent contract research for academia, industry, and government clients. MRI Global was approached to test the AG+ by Orabeat to reduce the infectivity of SARS-CoV-2, which is the virus that causes COVID-19. In our first test we did was to aerosolize high-titer SARS-CoV-2 virus into a custom-made containment box. After 20 minutes of aerosolization, we turned on the purification device and sampled the air in the box every 15 minutes. We used the maximum amount of aerosolized virus that could be produced in our lab setting and found that the machine completely eliminated detectable levels of the SARS-CoV-2 virus after 15 minutes.